Hello viewers, welcome. I have a good news for you, especially novice baker. This video will demonstrate some common issues for smooth cookie texture while making crinkle chocolate chip cookie confidently. Though the cookie texture mainly depends on some variables while following the exact recipe, let's hop onto the recipe. My moderate room temperature, half a cup of butter is mixed with half a cup of granulated sugar and half a cup of brown sugar. Initially, you cannot mix comfortably with a spatula, so you need electric mixture on low speed. For smooth surface cookie, you should be able to use spatula from the very beginning. Room temperature, an egg, and 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract are well combined. It is always a good idea to sift your flour before you use it. 1 and 1/4 cup of flour, half a teaspoon of baking soda, 1 tablespoon of cornstarch, and half a teaspoon of salt are added. Cornstarch is optional here. Cornstarch gives an extra texture to your cookie. If your butter is not fully room temperature and soft, your cookie is not ready for smooth texture. Add your 1.5 cup of chocolate chip. Your dough would be a little bit tight for this texture. For smoother cookie surface, your dough would be soft like this one. This is different dough. Move on to the cookie shaping part. Line your baking tray with parchment paper. Use 2 tablespoons of dough for cookie. Roll them into balls and place them up. Rolling causes coated chocolate chip. For the sake of nice chocolate shape, put some chocolate chip on top. Freeze them for 30 minutes and pop them into preheated oven on 325 degrees Fahrenheit or 163 degrees Celsius on medium rack. I guarantee you this experience will give you a quick boost to make next level of cookie with confidence. Please subscribe. Here is a smooth surface cookie with same recipe. Hope you enjoy. Thank you for watching. See you soon.